super simple. So what is up? I might have gotten a really great suction cup for the action cameras. Let's open it up real quick. Ooh, the packaging right here. This is a suction cup mount for cameras, allegedly DSLRs, mirrorless, and for me, in action cameras. I didn't want to buy the one that was like 2,000, so I bought this one, which is way more affordable. But let's open it up for you guys. What does it come with? Instructions, we don't need that. And let's see what comes inside. It's the holder, the actual mount, and the locking thing here. Let's put it together real quick. And a rope for just in case you messed up and you got to catch it from falling. A ball mount, which is really great, right here. And the actual mount. Now, feels wise, it is plastic. However, feels really sturdy. This part right here is metal, which is really good. So another thing is, it comes with two mounts. One for your action cam and one for cameras. So because we have action cams right now, we will take that one out. Super simple. So don't do that. So we're going to put it right here. Super simple. Put that in there, right there. We're going to lock it up in here as well. Straighten that out. Now, metal feel, plastic base, feels good at the moment right now. Very simple. Once you lock it in here, plop it down, should be strong enough. If I do any shots, it's going to be somewhat slow, but this is more for the inside of in the car. So let's throw an action cam on here. So I'm going to put my Ace Pro 2 on here. Put that in. It should be direct. Perfect. I'll run a mic somewhere here. And let's go outside and try it out. Sorry for the fogginess. I'll flip this around. You are going to, like I said, it should be super simple. Let me just do the plastic out. Let's take it out. Super excited. There we go. Ideally, we're just going to loosen it up right here. Loosen it up so I can move around. Put it right here. Press that button or that lever. It should suck in. I think we got it. It's pretty strong. We can do this. We can flip it around like that. Okay, we're kind of good. Let me adjust it for any leveling. Okay, right there. Looks kind of tight over there. Basically, that is a setup right there that I would put it in right now. I can also put it there to get like a more side view type of situation. But yeah, what do you think about this right here? Look at this. It is pretty cool. It looks super sturdy. That's the word I want to say. It looks sturdy. Now, it does get very hot in the Philippines. I don't know if that's going to give way, but at the present moment right now, it's working properly. Now let's see what happens. I'm sweating bullets here. I just love the fact that it's here. If I wanted to get more of a better view, like, you know, like this, for me, the word immersive gets into my brain when I think about these type of shots right here. Now, the great thing about this is if I loosen it, I can also go vertical. I just realized that right now. If I want to go vertical mode, I'll do vertical mode. This shirt is not flattering because it makes me look wider than I really am. I am fat though, but I mean, it makes me look wider than I really am. But you let me know what you guys think of this particular setup. And yeah, man, I'm pretty excited with this thing. It just opens up to a lot of things. Now, if I was down for it, I can also put it outside. Jeez, my goodness. Dude, when you say it's hot, it is freaking hot, dude. Oh, goodness. I don't even know if you can even see through my car. But let's get some action shots. It is a pretty strong suction, I would have to tell you. But let's get creative here. I don't know if you can see me. You probably can't, but I'm sure you can hear me. But literally, so now you can see the camera's on there, right there. Right there. It's a pretty good situation there. Now let's start up the car. Now for creative sake, let's just drive around and see what happens, because I have a feeling you can't see me, but I see you. I'm on the microphone as well. Okay. Now, forgive my sweating, but I'm driving right now while the camera's here. I'm going to try to do a side by side or angle it off. But literally, I can see so many things that you can do with it. I'll be honest with you. I'm gonna drive around real quick in the subdivision here, but let's go around the rotunda here, the roundabout. And yeah, I can literally, dude, like, I don't know about motorcycle. The thing is too big for a motorcycle, maybe for a tank, some quick shots, but definitely I do see some creativity that you can do here, honestly. It's just on there right now. It's still brand new, so I don't expect for it to fall off right now, but let's do a quick test. I hope it doesn't break. I'm going to do a quick hard braking and see if it will move. There we go. Here we go. Oh, it stayed still. It's still there. Check this out. I really think it's a good buy for the amount. Check the link down below. It says right here, it says buy now or buy here. But I think you definitely have to check it out. I really do. One of the best purchases thus far that we have. See you next time. Bye.